Sometimes you absolutely need to use professional video equipment, but other times a cell phone will do. Here are a few ideas to help you make that frugal decision. First, consider lighting. Professional cameras tend to do better in low light situations. Phone footage gets grainy and blurry. A professional light kit is worth its weight in gold and can be paired with a cell phone to get good footage on the cheap. Then think of distance. If you can't get close to your subject, you'll need a pro camera with a zoom lens. Expanding your cell screen just reduces the video quality. And consider audio. If you're recording an interview, you'll want at least a prosumer microphone attached to your phone to get acceptable audio quality. Most importantly, consider final use. If this is a low-stakes video like internal training or filler social content, a cell phone is fine. But the higher the stakes, the more you should invest. Research shows that 2 out of 3 people will get a bad opinion of a brand with poor quality videos. Like and subscribe for more mission-driven marketing tips, and let us help you multiply your ministry.